Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for haircutting help and what you can do to make haircutting go more smoothly and successfully for your child. Now, if you have a more private time at the salon, this could be a fun one. In this strategy, what you do is you do 3 clips and you do 3 deep pressure squeezes to your child. So this is a sequenced and, again, potentially much more private type of a strategy, and if you do haircuts at home, this could be a really good one as well. So the idea is you want to provide some deep pressure to the head first. So say gentle deep pressure, 1, 2, 3 squeezes, and then you're going to do your cut. 1 cut, 2 cut, 3 cuts, okay? So the idea is that you're doing 3 squeezes to 3 cuts, so that way the child has some clarity, some repetition, and you're providing all the deep pressure calming stimulation as the haircut moves onward, okay? So you're doing your deep pressure to a count, you're doing your cuts to a count. And again, this is gentle deep pressure, gentle squeezes, or maybe even if your child likes to massage, some gentle massage to the head for 3 seconds, and then 3 cuts, okay? So it's just something that you do in an alternate pattern, and it can be very successful for some kids. So if you have a more private setting, give this one a try. It can work wonders.
You're a driver, slow down.